guys, the Angus here, and welcome back to the Angus World. Guys, it has been a while since we have uploaded. I'm sorry because of our social distancing now. We're going to be able to post a lot more videos. I'm out of school, and I'm sorry that we haven't been posting videos. It really takes a lot of time for our videos to make because of how much time we put in, how much effort we put in. So we're going to get videos faster to you guys, since we don't have school. I'm out, so we're going to have more fun with y'all. So yeah, we're gonna post a lot of more videos. Like even back in from our last summer, 2019 summer, we're still gonna be posting from then. So it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna send out a lot more videos. Sorry for the wait, and get to the video. Hey guys, Thanks here, and welcome back to the Thanks World. And today we're gonna be doing two things really differently. First of all, we're gonna be trying some new food, and second of all, we have a guest today. Her name is
Christina.
Okay, so guys, we are going to be trying sushi. We have our chopsticks, we have the rice, we're about to make it.
Okay.
Wait, this isn't what we do on the channel. Oh god, I can't believe we're doing this. You know what? We're doing gummy sushi, guys. I don't like normal sushi, so we're going to do gummy sushi.
We're not doing real sushi?
Nope.
Okay.
So I never tried this before neither, actually, so let's open it up. Okay. Okay, so are you using these? Yeah. Okay. Yoink! Okay, guys, so we have the sushi here. So, wow. Just wow. That is crazy. Okay, so we're gonna open it.
That looks good.
Oh,
Should we save that? Do these have names?
Nope. Yoink. Okay, guys. So, they smell good. They look kind of good. Let's see how they taste. So, wait, first off the bat, first of all, these are like gummy bears. I just like noticed that shape. Yeah. Oh, let's try it. Here, go ahead and
first.
We'll try these. So grab that one.
These?
No, I can't. Yep.
Got it.
I can't. So, it looks like kind of like a foot by the foot. So.
What's that supposed to be on the inside?
I don't know.
Piece by piece?
Oh.
I'm just gonna do all of it.
This tastes so good.
That is good.
Guys, I think this is like no, I don't know. This is definitely tastes good though.
What flavors is it?
I don't know what those are called.
Kind of like a strawberry. You can't really taste the inside. It just makes it more crunchy.
And the outside?
Strawberry. Okay. So next,
Good mixed together.
I guess we'll do these.
What is that supposed to be?
I don't know.
It's supposed to be like
Fish eggs.
roe.
Got it. I don't know what this is. Hopefully it's not like really
Maybe it's a little
nasty. All right.
Going for it.
Here goes nothing.
Oh, that's weird.
It's really hard. Yeah, it's hard. It's so weird.
What flavor is that?
I don't know.
It doesn't really have a flavor.
Yeah.
Syrup? Lemon?
Okay, so
Just
next.
gummy and crunchy.
Yeah.
Sweet?
I guess
Sour?
we'll save like this side for the last, cause.
Not sour, but it's not sweet either.
All right. Do you want pink? We're gonna do these next.
Sure.
Okay. Got it. Okay. So
You gotta try harder than
I can't really tell what this is, but it. Yeah. It seems to be like orange. Okay. So
No?
yeah, I think strip. This is orange. What's that? This is definitely orange.
Strawberry, maybe?
It's good.
That tastes good.
These are good.
Okay, so
It's like
whatever these are,
marshmallowy.
Yeah. So we're gonna try these next. Again, not
The greens.
these, yeah. So I'll go ahead and grab one. Seems to be maybe like, I don't know, maybe like a pepper? I don't know. Again, we never tried these before. Oh wait, on the back of the box it said what it was. Oh wow.
Does it?
Uh-huh. Oh wow. That is,
Edamame?
yeah,
Is it?
yeah.
Gummy edamame?
I don't see what this thing was.
This
Give me
is
Ikura.
Ikura.
I should have been a little bit more careful, but so that's definitely what it was. Then
This
these
one
were
is good.
whatever this is.
Ebi?
Ebi. And the rest we haven't tried, so I'm going fresh. So again, candy maki. Okay, next we will do this.
What's the name for that one?
I don't know. I threw it away. I'm going fresh.
These
Okay.
look like gummy bears and apple.
Yeah. So it comes with 2 Apollos. It comes with 1 gummy bear.
You do it all together?
Mhm.
You do it separate.
Very hard. Tastes good. I'm gonna take off the gummy bear just to see what the gummy bear tastes like. No.
What's your
Apple
favorite so
though.
far?
I don't know what that tastes like. My favorite is either probably this one or the first one we had.
The gummy edamame?
I like the edamame a lot too, but I like this one.
We'll save this for later.
Oh, the gummy bear's good.
Okay, next we're gonna do these, I guess.
Which one?
Here, you can get red, I'll get brown.
Okay.
Again, I'm using my fingers, guys.
I think Mila wants to be in the video.
So straight off the bat, I think this kind of looks like a marshmallow. I don't know.
It's stuck.
And then I think this is stuff from the first thing.
It looks like a peep.
Mm-hmm.
This is marshmallow.
Yeah, it's marshmallow. Let's see, it's like a sour rope.
Interesting.
It tastes so good, guys. Next is this. So this is cool. It comes in a little container.
These look like worms.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to try
What's
it.
it supposed
It's
to be?
supposed to be like the ginger.
Okay,
What's the name?
I don't know.
Look.
Oh, it's hard. That's for sure. Jeez. Okay. Okay, that works too. Here, do one of yours and just pull them apart.
I can't really. I don't know how to use these either.
I
I'm getting a little bit thirsty.
Yeah, so am I. Here, hold on. Just take that.
The whole thing?
I don't know, yeah. It's really good. So the thing we just had was candy what's that? I don't know. Then this is candy nigiri. So guess we're gonna try this.
Which one?
Candy nigiri.
Oh, this is marshmallowy.
Yeah, again, this is a marshmallow. It seems to be like fish.
That's my baby, guys. That's hard.
Sorry, headphone users. The fish is really hard.
That's pretty good though. It's like orange.
This is really good. Finish
That's
it?
pretty good.
Uh-huh.
Am I supposed to eat them all?
Yeah. Eat them all. While we do that, I guess I'll put back on the lid. Actually, I'll do that later. I don't think it's going down. I
I think we need something to wash this down.
yeah. I'm really thirsty. Wait, I have an idea. Bring in the gummy sodas.
Orange soda. Regular soda.
Wow. So this seems to be like Orange Crush, I guess. And this seems to be just normal Coke. If you look closely, it actually has a Coca-Cola logo kind of right
like
here,
this.
which looks really cool. So, yeah. Here you have orange, I want this.
Oh, I have orange?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So let me move all this out of the way. All right, so, okay. Well, first of all, you do this,
Okay.
and let's open it up.
Just take the whole thing out.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Isn't that what you do?
Okay, so,
Oh my goodness.
oh, wow. So, that really looks good, not gonna lie. Oh, you know, I think that's, orange dream crush or something.
Smells good.
Yeah. So, Coca-Cola logo. Same with cola.
Mm-hmm.
So, of course, we have to take off the cap, guys. So, let me just take off the cap real quick.
I'm not gonna be able to do that. Tear it off. Can I cut
You know
out
what?
the
Yeah.
scissors?
That's a good cap.
Oh wow. Hey, we didn't cheers.
Oh.
Cheers. That's orange soda.
It's definitely Coke. It's good. No doubt. This is really good, guys. So, yeah. Guys, I don't think we have anything else. This was kind of a short video. Sorry about that. But, I think we're going to end the video here. So, guys, remember to check out her Instagram, which is...
Chrissy_T.
And mine is @EthanXWorld. Make sure to follow both of us. And have a great safe day. Remember, sub to the
Bye,
Thanks
guys.
World. Bye.